Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video. Recently, I took our Honda Civic 2003 for an oil change, and you can see I got charged right here, 21 and 66 cents. Now, recently, also they showed me I had a leak underneath too, and so they actually had some services recommendation. And I actually kind of told them, well, give me a quote and what your recommendation is, price. Obviously, this is the price that they quoted was almost close to 4,500 total. Now, looking up at Kelly Blue Book price for the vehicle, it quoted if I sold it privately to um, an individual seller, or sorry, buyer, that I would get about 1,500 to maybe up to 2,200, and then for if I took it to dealership, it was about $300 to $800. Average was about $577. So, looking at this, it didn't make sense for me to spend all this money and try to get it fixed. I mean, look at the front struts, $900. The lower control arms, $1,280. The oil pan gasket, $289. Power steering, I knew it was going out, $387. Rear struts, $900. I mean, all of this was adding up for a vehicle that, well, we were just holding out to eventually purchase it ourselves. So I just figured this is not going to make sense for us, and we decided that we're going to sell the car, and we'll have another video regarding that on the process and what we thought of where we were going to eventually sell it. So it was very disappointing to know how much it was, but kind of got the most out of it. I mean, it's almost an 18-year-old car. What else was it? The AC and the heater was not working, so pretty much you can only drive it in fall and spring. I mean, I could drive it in winter. It's not too cold for me during the winters here compared to the rest of the country for Vegas. But definitely it was very unbearable during the summer. So glad we were able to catch some of this. It was definitely getting worse, the car. But and I'll attach the article below regarding when it's time to consider getting rid of your car. Definitely want to check that out because, like I said, the savings and everything considering was astronomical on how much, if you run the numbers, because in the end we were going to save $2,020 and some change each year by not having that car. Now it will reverse once we do get a car, but right now it kind of works out because we could get by with one car, especially I work pretty close and stuff like that, and my wife is home with the kids, so right now we could definitely get by with one car. Now in a couple of years when my son goes to school, that's going to be different because my wife will probably need a car, especially when she gets start working again. So definitely looking forward to saving the money at this time, and then thinking about the next vehicle and stuff like that. So definitely make sure you keep up with your car maintenance and stuff like that. Now, this mechanic and shop, I don't totally believe in that, and that's the old saying. You definitely want to get second opinions or third opinions, and definitely when you're getting price for a car, or repairs, because you don't want to get ripped off on repair prices, and especially and I do know some stuff that they were recommending was not right. So I've taken my van there. They have a really great price on the oil change, but when I think they're more conservative on, like, if they see a little bit of leak or potential, they try to, I believe, milk it on trying to get you to get that repair done right away. So definitely watch out for that. But I was surprised their ratings were pretty high. So, but I guess if you go there not knowing anything at all, then you might probably believe them. Um, but especially this one, it's more believable on how much issues and stuff like that, and how much, and they show me the leak. But with, I took my van recently also, and they claimed there was a leak, but they didn't show me any of the leaks compared to the van or to the Civic. So that was harder for me to believe, and so definitely keep an eye out if you do ever bring your vehicle into a shop. So definitely, hopefully you found this useful. Definitely was an eye opener for a Civic. Got again 205,000 miles almost, which is pretty much the course of that vehicle. Had too many issues, too much. I didn't want to put that money into repairs anymore. So go ahead and hit that like button if you found this useful, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Definitely touch a lot of different topics, different things, so that way you guys could be aware of what's going on too. So again, definitely appreciate your support and getting close to that 200 subscriber mark. Thanks.